How to change administrative email on Windows 11. In this tutorial, I'll show you a quick and easy way to do that, so let's just jump right in. To change your administrative email, you first have to go over to your settings. So go to Start and then click on Settings menu. Once you open up Settings, find the Account section on the left-hand side. From Accounts, you can find different accounts here, so you can go ahead and select your accounts. It'll show you all of the accounts that you manage. And then from there, if you want to remove any account, you can just tap on remove. And if you want to manage your account settings, tap on manage. And it's going to take you to your Microsoft Account Manager. To change your administrative email, what you can do is go back to account section and check which one has the administrative privileges for your email. To do that, go ahead and search for Control Panel. Once your Control Panel opens up, you need to go ahead and find user accounts over here. Click on it. Then it's going to show you your account. Then if you want to go ahead and manage another account, tap on it. Go ahead and add new user in PC settings. Add another users. Click on add account. Add account from here, and to change your administrative email, you can just go ahead and select this and change the account type, and then select the other email as administrator. Tap on change account type down below and you should be good to go. That's it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.